safety number 1 yung mask. Okay, pag nandun na tayo sa loob ng field, do not remove. Okay? Kasi mamaya, may nagbarilan sa bawat team. At niremove niyo yung mask, pwedeng tamahin yung face niyo at saka yung eyes. Number 2, yung gun po. Yung safety ng button ng gun, yung button. Pag itong button, at na-push nyo, ibig sabihin yan, ready to fire na yan. Pag na-push ko yung button, then hold the trigger, ready na pumutok.
Ayan, we're back, and they are now having their briefing for the paintball challenge. And in this game, ubusan ng bala. Each player of the team will have 20 bullets. And depende kung saan sila tinamaan, iba-iba ang scoring system dyan. So for that, I would like to ask Mr. Con to discuss the scoring system. Mr. Con?
Okay, so yung points natin sa head, 5 points, sa body 3 points, leg and arms 2 points, and then kasama yung gun is 2 points.
Ayan. So depende. Mulamang no, sa head, yung headshot yung pinakamahirap. That's why that's 5 points for the head. For the body, that's 3 points. For the legs and the arms, 2 points. At kasama ang tira sa barrel. So for the gun, pag natamaan yan, 2 points din. Okay? So ready? May the best team win again!
Dahil extreme sports ang games natin today, medyo delikado para sa ating mga hosts. Kaya naman, sinadya namin ang Global Gods in La Mesa Eco Park.
Okay, team!
Team! 1, 2, 3, go!
Global Gods is now ranked as the biggest paintball field operator and the biggest builder of team building and adventure parks in the country today. Kaya naman, sure na sure kami na magiging safe ang ating mga hosts. 因为我们今天挑战的都是一些很刺激的游戏，为了主持人的安全起见，我们特意来到位于 La Mesa Eco Park 的 Global Gods。Global Gods 是国内最大的彩弹射击中心，所以主持人的安全，我们总算可以放心了。
Wala na eh. Okay, wala na lahat. Okay. Stop muna, stop. Wala na. Hangin na lang yan. Ceasefire daw, ceasefire. Ha? Ceasefire na. Oh, hands up, hands up. Hands up. All. Okay. Hands up. Hands up. Grabe. Pulang-pula. Pitch mo.
Blush on.
Brush on.
Libreng blush on to. Pero mga tama.
Pero headshot.
Ay, pag yung marami na tirang bala.
Hindi kayo lumalabas.
Nanalo.
1, 2, 3. Ba't di kayo gumagalaw? Super lang.
Baril pa.
Ganun?
Yes. Sa iyo.
Sir kayo, sir. Splatter lang yan. Splatter lang.
Aggressive tayo, napatunayan natin yun. Uy, sino yun? Dapat natirang ba?
Sir, tingnan ko yung mga tama. Hindi yan?
Green mo na, black. Tama ka. Mama, wait lang. Mamaya, lagyan natin ng...
Alis, oh. May 15 bullets pa to.
Ano si Paul? Sorry. Ay, sino yung bumaril sa'yo? Gantihan mo. Go, si Paul!
Dalawa na.
Sugat pa ako. It's your lucky day.
Puro ito ate.
Ano yan? I was here.
体总排球委员会在陈世杰主任及诸位副主任的积极筹划，体总领导的热心督导下，成功主办本年度体总杯校际排球锦标赛。赛事分女子13岁组、女子18岁组及男子中学组。经过月余的激烈比赛，赛果次第揭晓。男子中学组赛果如下。
ba ang inyong favorite hobby? Alamin ang kanilang basic Mandarin sa Chinoy Speak. At Fear of Heights nga ba ang magiging hadlang para matalo ang isang team sa susunod na challenge ng Chinoy Active?